Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities. And taking a look at the back here, we do get recovery hooks, we have a dual exhaust, rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, we even get a little bed camera with this vehicle, with a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear and front, Tremor gripped running boards, keyless entry keypad, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light and spotlight indicated mirrors. And moving to the front, we do get a remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months. License plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seem to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice camo cloth, black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back with the yellow trim all on the side here, as well as on the seating. Floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage. We do get a 12-volt rear vents and USB and USB-C with 120 volts. A nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a power driver seat with the same cloth and leather interior we saw in the back there, but we get the additional Tremor logo. Plenty of door space up front. Upgraded sound system, powered windows, mirrors, locks, all that jazz. Spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 106,597 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control with your voice right there as well, lane centering. And looking here, we do get My View, trip and field, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my rear, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here, some outlets, center console that does turn into an interior work surface. Put your food, laptop here, totally up to you. Plenty of storage underneath as well. Rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats and dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above, below, and on the dash with 6 upfitter switches you can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener, as well as a backup camera. We have, a 360 view camera, hazards, trail control, and traction. Media controls here, and looking here we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Got your phone controls, your navigation, pretty easy to use, search, recent saved, zoom in or out. Little red dots to show you where your vehicle's been previously, and you can have your audio open at the same time. You got your favorite apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may download show up right here with the app CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB78802A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.